Here we have an absolutely stunning 2014 model Holden Commodore VF Evoke series in the Wagon. Beautiful car inside and out. Beautiful set of wheels. Fantastic interior. Beautifully maintained. Media center. Climate control. Loads of features. Reversing camera. Cup holders. Loads of space in the back. And again, just perfectly maintained. Fantastic condition. Enormous boot capacity. Cargo barrier. All in absolutely stellar condition. Service books, 2 sets of keys with this one. Just a fantastic vehicle all round, beautiful car to drive. An awesome vehicle, do check this one out.